Hi all, so let's start with the second question. So the question is, write the first four terms of AP when A and D are given. So here A is basically the first term, which is 10, and D is 40. So let's write. First term will be 10, and if we add the this fixed number D to the first term, we'll obtain the next term. So 10 plus 40 will be 50. 50 plus 40 will be 90. 90 plus 40 will be 130, and so on. So we need only four terms, so I am writing four terms. Now we have A is minus 2 and D is 0. So basically we are adding 0 to it. So whenever you know that whenever we add or subtract a number by 0, it remains the same. So our series will be next one. A is 4 and D is minus 3. So 4 plus minus 3. 4 plus minus 3 equal to 1 plus 1. So 4, 1. Now for the next, 1 plus minus 3. This term plus the common difference. It will be minus 2. So minus 2. For the next, minus 2 plus minus 3, which is minus 5. So minus 5, and so on. Coming to this one, the first term is minus 1 and D is 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 in positive. How is it 1 by 2? So we'll try to equate the denominator and then minus 1 by 2. Sorry, here minus was also there. So minus 1 by 2. Then next is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So plus and minus will get cancelled out, it will be 0. Now 0 plus 1 by 2. So any number if added by 0, it will be the same number, which is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and so on. Coming to this one, the first term is minus 1.5, 1.25. So minus 1.25, we have to add the D in it. So minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, which is equal to, we'll add this, since both are minus, we'll add this 5 plus 5, 10, 2 to 4, 5.1. So it will be 1.50 in minus. And next 1.50 plus minus 0.25. So minus minus will be, again we'll do the addition, but the sign will be minus. So 5, 6, 7 and 1 will be minus 1.75. Then for the next term, minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. So it will be 5, 5, 10 and 2. It is minus 2.00, and so on. So if you see here, the first term is negative and there is a difference of common difference 0.25, which is in minus. Okay, all, let's start with third question. So for these APs, we have to find the A and D. So what is A? As I told you, A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference. So let's first write down all the A of these APs. So A is nothing but simply the first number. So for here, for this series, A is 3. Here A will be minus 5. Here A will be 1 by 3. Here A will be 0.6. So before I mention what are the A's and D's, you just calculate yours and keep it handy. And then later you can match it if you are right or wrong. So now to find D, we know that D is basically subtracting the A n minus 1th term from the A nth term. Okay. So here this is the nth term for us. So this will be the n minus 1th term. Okay. So nth term is 1 minus n minus 1th term. So which is 3. See one thing, don't think like the first n minus 1th term is greater than the nth term. So let's subtract in this way, 3 minus 1. No, don't do that. Always, no matter how the series are given, you just have to subtract the later one and you have to just subtract this one, the first one from the later one. Okay, always subtract the n minus 1th term from nth term. So here D will be minus 1 minus minus 5. See, minus 1 minus minus 5, which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 5 equal to plus 4. Now in this one, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. In this one, D will be 1.7 minus 0.6, which is equal to 1.1. Okay, so be careful with this thing, that if the n minus 1th number is greater also, then also you have to do only in this way. You have to subtract the n minus 1th term from the nth term. Okay,